All right, good morning. I'm going to try something new here. I'm going to do a little video recording of my design changes. First off, I moved the powder room and elevator, moved the elevator over, and moved the powder room over here. Not the greatest, but for the space that we have, trying to fit this in and keep it someplace accessible. Over here on the dining room, moved the dining room down a little bit, made it a little bit smaller. It's not centered with the fireplace, but I think that's going to be okay because I gave you more room for your wine room. And zoom out a little and then zoom back in. So I have put an arched wall on the front of the wine room, have a little seating area, and then shelving all the way around it. Still have the window in here. There is the option with this flex space. I moved the utility room over. So this is a flex space. It could be storage, could be whatever you might want. Also, I have this line drawn here, which would be between the windows. We can move the wine room over a little and lessen this flex space storage. For the kitchen, I have that centered up on the window, large island. Have our designer cooktop and counter space on each side, refrigeration, and a little bar space here. And then we move into back here will be your prep kitchen. This will be your main sink for washing dishes, and I got room for a dishwasher on each side. And then coming down here would be your pantry, refrigeration, cooking, whatever you may need. You also have the laundry room behind this, which could also house some of your refrigeration, washer and dryer, and then plenty of storage back in here. These little circles are structural items that I can't move, so I have a little space here. It could be a closet. Got a little cabinet here for like sitting down, putting your shoes on, kind of a little place to drop your stuff when you come in from the garage. Zoom out and zoom back in a little more. Put in a pool bath here. I think there's going to be an opportunity to put a shower under the stairs right here. Didn't work on that. And got a little outdoor cooking area here that is now separate from the outdoor living area. I don't have the 3D done because moving all this around messes up a lot of stuff. I got to work on what it looks like in the visual, but let me give one a try and see what this looks like. Yeah, I got all my ceilings are messed up. Have to work on that a little. And I'll zoom out a little so you can kind of see the floor plan. I'll make a copy of this and send it to you here in a little bit. Hope you have a good weekend.